Hi everyone, welcome to Delta Publications. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of hot and cold. Let's dive in and discover how heat affects the things around us. So, what is heat? Heat is the energy that flows from one object to another when they are at different temperatures. In simple terms, heat always moves from something hot to something cooler, just like the way ice melts when it touches warm hands. But wait, there's a difference between heat and temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. We measure temperature with a thermometer, like the one in your home or school. Temperature doesn't measure energy, it measures how much heat an object has. So, while heat is energy moving, temperature tells us how hot or cold that energy makes something feel. Now, let's talk about how materials behave when they get hot or cold. Ever noticed how metal expands when it's heated? That's because the particles in the metal get excited and spread out, taking up more space. On the other hand, when things cool down, they contract. They shrink back into a smaller space. It's the same with a balloon, it shrinks when you put it in the freezer. Now, let's explore the three ways heat moves: conduction, convection, and radiation. First up, conduction. This happens when heat travels through a material. Like when you put a spoon in a hot cup of tea, the heat moves from the tea to the spoon, and the spoon becomes hot. Next, we have convection. This happens in liquids and gases. Hot air rises, and cold air sinks. That's why we feel warm air blowing from a heater or fan. It's moving heat through the air. Lastly, radiation. This is heat transfer through electromagnetic waves. No need for particles to move, just like the heat we feel from the sun, even though it's millions of miles away. Every day, we experience hot and cold. In the kitchen, the oven uses heat to cook food. Meanwhile, a freezer uses cold to preserve your favorite ice cream. We even use heat and cold to keep our bodies safe, like when we use an ice pack to reduce swelling. Let's recap what we've learned. Heat is energy that moves from a hot object to a cooler one. Temperature is how we measure heat. When materials get hot, they expand, and when they cool, they contract. Now, let's test your knowledge. Ready for a quick quiz? What happens when a metal object is heated? It expands. Which of these is an example of convection? Metal spoon heating up in tea. Warm air rising from a heater. The sun heating the earth. Warm air rising from a heater.
Great job. Today we learned about heat, temperature, and how they affect everything from the food we eat to the air around us. Keep exploring and paying attention to how hot and cold affect the world.